me in a Lambo. Camel snapback, Rambo. 500 horses, Django. 2-2 chicken, Nando. You might see.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Good morning guys, and welcome to another vlog. So today I'm going to Dubai World. Yep, for all those who are asking me how I got the ticket, be loyal to one airline, that's how it goes. So first things first, I'm gonna pull out my watch. Yep. Then my glass. Good to go. Yep. I'm a bit late, but always late. I'm never early in anything. So yeah, let's go there. Meet you guys there. So guys, I just got here like, whoa, so crowded. Like you have no idea. Anyways, you know it's been raining like 3 days in a row in Dubai. Like 3 days in a row. If you got like what? This is what happened when before I got here. Like I almost got stuck somewhere. Check this out. Did you see that? Like, I literally couldn't move, man. Like, water everywhere. Like, you know, all those water. Anyways, thank God I got here safe, you know? Yeah, so let's get to the race. What is this? So apparently you have to take pictures here. Red carpet please. Let me go show them that. Let me go show them that I was once a model.
What?
Let me go show them that I was once a model.
That is not correct. That is not correct.
This is the terrace entrance. Only those who are like, you know, the kings, they say the special tickets, like, this escalator to go all the way up. Like, yeah, the rich people, you know. Anyways, I gotta put my broadcast back here. I'm satisfied though. It's a flabalistic day. Enjoying my day. You know? Guys, the thing is, I actually thought I was like all dressed up, but then this Englishman killed it, man. They're having some crazy attires, man. Like, what? Hey, you gotta check this out. They're having a competition for the best dressed gentleman. So yeah, look at all this.
Let's step forward to this mark here. Right, and then if you just punch together a little bit, just punch together and take one little step back. Just for the cameras, thank you.
Guys, look what I found here. Oh, look at these horses, man. Yeah. Wow. So cool. I'm gonna go like around. I'll show you like different places here, different sectors. Like, this is the main exit. So apparently I can walk anywhere I want to because my ticket is not. It's one of those advanced tickets that you're eligible to go anywhere. So yeah, let me get a tour, you know.
So you and me will kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get
20 لكأس دبي العالمي لسباق الخيل، متمنين للمشاركين التوفيق.
U.A.E walks into gate number 6. They look ready to run. U.A.E, Shane Ryan has the button. Racing in the derby, U.A.E jumped with them. Lancaster Bomber, Spirit of Valour, he runs away, dropped back shortly after the break. Anarato out wide, but Jarvis in the centre came out quickly. Guitar Man began well. He's trying to hold the fence as they charge into the first turn near 1600 metres mark. And he has held the plastic, Guitar Man. Jarvis goes up to eyeball him, and Anarato is a length away running third. U.A.E settles fourth, Midnight Chicken fifth from the inside of Thunder Snow. Cosmo Charlie deep turning into the back, B Jersey midfield. A length and a half for Tory Kin on the outside of Master Plan. One to Spirit of Valour, a half Lancaster Bomber, followed by Fly at Dawn, No More Rich Blondes. He runs away as second last, and top score is 3 lengths back at the tail of the field. Epicharis pressed on. He wanted to lead with 900 metres left to run. He's 3/4 of a length in front. He left the first half behind in 48.2. Epicharis shows the Derby field the way to the back by 3/4 of a length over Anarato. Thunder Snow's 3/4 of a length away. He's edging up to be third now. Guitar Man fourth, U.A.E fifth being ridden along. Then Tory Kin, Master Plan is being asked to improve, and then Lancaster Bomber, Spirit of Valour, Fly at Dawn, and a break to he runs away at the head of the others. Coming around the turn, Thunder Snow moved up to Epicharis, 400 metres left to run. 2 lengths away, Guitar Man, then Lancaster Bomber. It's Thunder Snow alongside Epicharis. Thunder Snow is the winner. Epicharis from Japan, 200 metres out. Thunder Snow running about. Epicharis battling back. Epicharis in front. Thunder Snow running out. Possible gasp. Thunder Snow in a photo in the derby from Epicharis. Master Plan from third, Lancaster Bomber.
So guys, this is the food truck area. I've just got here, like it's so noisy, can't even hear it, but let me give you a tour of this place. So guys, the last race is over. Yeah, Saudi Arabia won, so they won $10 million. Yeah, that's so much. Anyways, I'm just waiting for the closing ceremony and the Sia performance tonight. I'm so tired. It's cold, literally freezing. Anyways, yeah, let's wait for the closing ceremony.
وكل العرب من فوزنا في السنة والنصر الهدي لشعوب وحكام.
Guys, the situation is deadly.
What did you say?
The situation is deadly.
Oh my God. Somebody that went to school.
It's raining cats and dogs here, man. Ah, can't even see me. It's so cold. Like what? Anyways, I'm going for Sia's performance. Like that's the main reason I came here. Anyway, so yeah, let's go to the show. So I just go back to the car. The performance was crazy by Sia. So anyways, before I leave, I want to take you to where all the ballers parked. You know, we broke niggas had to park somewhere else. Now let me go show you where the guys really parked, you know, the rich guys. So yeah, and after that I'm gonna head home and yeah, sleep obviously because I'm so tired. So yeah, let's go.
You might see me in a Lambo, Camel snapback, Rambo, 500 horses, Django, 2-2 chicken, Nando. You might see me in a Rari, old school fella, Atari.
Woo! I hope you enjoyed the rides. Anyways, I just got back home. I'm so tired. I've been literally standing like since 2 or 3. Oh, I'm so tired. Anyways, as always, subscribe here and watch my previous video here. And yeah, if you like this video, put a thumbs up on it. And yeah, let's meet up in the next vlog soon tomorrow. Good night, guys. Bye.